From the ashes of war, a company would rise to become a symbol of speed and precision. But what made BMW more than just a car company? It all began in 1916 in Munich, Germany. BMW started by making airplane engines for WW1. After the war, the Treaty of Versailles forbade aircraft engines. BMW pivoted to motorcycles, then cars. Think of BMW's growth like a chessboard, each move strategic. Every design was for performance, not just looks. BMW's iconic kidney grille and logo promised engineering excellence. Then came WW2, a time of destruction and loss. By 1945, BMW was in ruins. Post-war chaos left the company struggling to survive. BMW first focused on motorcycles to survive. Then came the Neue Klasse sedans in the 1960s. Every setback became a catalyst for reinvention. Today, BMW is not just a car, it's a culture. BMW's story is a testament to resilience. From engines to luxury cars, failures became opportunities. Success often comes wrapped in struggle. So what defines true innovation? Genius, luck, or courage? BMW entered the luxury car market with elegance and precision. Engineers focused on performance, blending speed and comfort. BMW motorcycles became iconic symbols of precision engineering. Each model built BMW's reputation for reliability and style. BMW's motorsports ambitions began to shape the brand's identity. Innovation extended to aerodynamics and performance tuning. BMW became synonymous with the ultimate driving experience. The BMW logo evolved into a symbol recognized worldwide. BMW expanded globally, entering new markets. Economic crises tested BMW's resilience repeatedly. The introduction of the BMW 3 Series marked a turning point. BMW embraced technology and design to lead the industry. Their focus on the driver experience remained paramount. BMW entered motorsports, pushing engineering limits. The brand became a global icon of luxury and performance. BMW continued innovating with electric and hybrid technology. Global recognition turned BMW into an aspirational lifestyle brand. Every crisis, from wars to economic downturns, shaped BMW's resilience. BMW's design philosophy emphasized the perfect balance of form and function. The BMW story shows that innovation is forged in struggle. BMW's electric vehicles ushered in a new era of mobility. Sustainability became central to BMW's philosophy. Luxury and performance remained inseparable in every design. BMW's innovation extended into autonomous driving technology. BMW's design language became instantly recognizable worldwide. The company embraced digitalization in production and marketing. BMW's global motorsports achievements enhanced its prestige. The BMW brand became synonymous with aspiration and achievement. BMW's resilience made it an icon in volatile markets. Every car carried BMW's legacy of precision and luxury. BMW's cultural influence reached beyond automobiles. Innovation, design, and engineering became inseparable in BMW culture. BMW's commitment to performance inspired generations. Every crisis tested BMW's adaptability. BMW's journey from airplane engines to electric cars spans over a century. The BMW story is a testament to resilience and innovation. Innovation often comes wrapped in struggle and risk. BMW's legacy inspires engineers, designers, and drivers worldwide. The journey from humble beginnings to global icon is unparalleled. So what defines true innovation? Genius, luck, or courage?
BMW continues to push the boundaries of electric mobility. Autonomous driving technologies redefine BMW's engineering philosophy. BMW's design combines tradition with modern innovation. Electric vehicles embody BMW's commitment to sustainability. Motorsport remains central to BMW's DNA. Global recognition reinforces BMW as an aspirational brand. BMW continues to innovate in connectivity and digital services. Every BMW vehicle carries a century of engineering mastery. BMW's resilience through wars, crises, and market shifts defines BMW. Innovation requires courage, vision, and a relentless drive. BMW's legacy is more than cars. It's a story of resilience. The brand inspires engineers, designers, and drivers worldwide. From humble beginnings to global icon, BMW's journey is unparalleled.
BMW's legacy is defined by innovation, design, and courage. BMW's evolution reminds us that progress is forged through adversity. Every design embodies performance, luxury, and history. BMW's story teaches that innovation requires courage and resilience. BMW's legacy inspires generations of innovators worldwide. BMW proves that challenges can drive innovation to new heights. So, what truly defines innovation? Genius, courage, or perseverance? BMW's electric revolution is redefining urban mobility. Autonomous driving is now a reality in BMW's engineering labs. BMW's design philosophy fuses classic elegance with futuristic innovation. BMW's commitment to sustainability drives every innovation. Motorsport continues to shape BMW's performance legacy. Global recognition turns BMW into an aspirational lifestyle brand. Digital innovation enhances connectivity and driver experience. Every BMW vehicle carries a century of craftsmanship and engineering. Resilience through wars, crises, and market shifts defines BMW. Courage, vision, and relentless drive fuel innovation at BMW. BMW's legacy transcends vehicles. It is a testament to resilience. The brand inspires engineers, designers, and drivers worldwide. From modest beginnings to global icon, BMW's journey is unparalleled. Innovation, design, and courage define BMW's identity. Progress is forged through adversity. BMW shows the way. BMW's designs blend performance, luxury, and history. Innovation requires courage, foresight, and resilience. BMW's legacy inspires generations of innovators worldwide. Challenges have driven BMW to new heights of innovation. So, what truly defines innovation? Genius, courage, or perseverance? BMW is accelerating its electric vehicle expansion worldwide. Sustainability is now embedded in every BMW production facility. Connectivity and AI define the next era of BMW vehicles. Every innovation carries the weight of a century-long legacy. BMW's cultural impact extends beyond automobiles. BMW inspires designers, engineers, and drivers across generations. BMW demonstrates that innovation thrives on risk and vision. Resilience has shaped BMW into a global icon. BMW's commitment to performance drives every design decision. Every BMW vehicle carries history, luxury, and engineering excellence. Innovation requires courage, foresight, and resilience. BMW proves that challenges fuel progress. BMW's journey inspires generations worldwide.
BMW's evolution proves that vision combined with perseverance changes the world. Every BMW vehicle tells a story of ambition and innovation. BMW's story is a testament to courage, resilience, and vision. Innovation is never easy, but BMW shows the way. BMW inspires ambition in engineers, designers, and drivers alike. Challenges fuel innovation. BMW proves it time and again. So, what truly defines innovation? Genius, courage, or perseverance? Share your thoughts below.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more Econ Varium videos.